Duct tape fixes everything. Most people carry some duct tape in their backpack, in their first aid kit, and their repair kit. There's a lot of ways to carry it. I like to put it on a hotel key like here, because I can put that in my repair kit in plastic and it doesn't get wet. I also decided to wrap some around my trowel handle. Try to dig a 6-inch, 8-inch hole with that sharp edged trowel. Doesn't work so well. The duct tape helps as a handle, and you've got the duct tape. You can also put it on your hiking poles. Everybody does it, I do it, but remember that that's out in the weather and it can get sticky and gummy and start to unravel. In my wilderness first aid training, I realized that I don't carry enough duct tape. You probably don't either. You need to use a lot of duct tape. If you're going to wrap up a wound, you got to go around 2-3 times, and it's also hard to work with. It gets gummy, it's sticky, it sticks to itself. Ever use duct tape after it's stuck to itself? You need a lot of duct tape if you're going to use it for first aid. Duct tape can also be used as a fire starter. It lights fairly easily. It burns slowly, but it doesn't burn very hot, and it didn't seem to me like it'd be a reliable flame, like a little bit of a breeze could blow it out. So, if you're in a pinch, try duct tape as a fire starter. See you next Wednesday.